Oh my gosh, I didn't realize I was muted this whole time. Anyway, what's up, Black Horizon? Hope you're having a good day. Well, I'm going to do some updating to my website today. I had been updating it fairly consistently for some months. And yeah, I haven't updated it at all in 2 months now, so it's just gonna be a little bit of some chill updating this. So what's the layout gonna be? I'm not sure if I'm gonna completely change the layout. I have to revisit this and see. I know there's definitely problems. For example, the music page is... Wait, why can't you connect that? Oh, stop. The music is formatted terribly. It used to look better than this. I was trying to experiment, and then I ended up just messing everything up. Never fixed it. Challenges is pretty standard page. Don't really like that, but this is one of the more polished pages. It's the one I changed the most, so I made it look the smoothest. Books is also a mess, but whatever. But primarily, I think I wrote some stuff down. Well, to begin with, I need to fix the deployment workflow for this because I swear I used to have a script on my Raspberry Pi that would just sync the repo that's actually served to the Cloudflare server with the GitHub repo, but it seems like that doesn't exist anymore on my Raspberry Pi. So I have to go do that again? I don't know. I really don't know what happened there, but I need to figure that out. I also forget where the website is actually being hosted on the Pi, like what directory is serving the file or the website, but I don't think it's too hard. I think I can figure it out. I think I just need to write a function, a bash function that's just like git pull the repo and then just rsync the GitHub repo directory on the Pi to the deployment directory, and then it should just update really fast. So I need to fix the sync workflow. I want to add a blog page. Oh, I want to edit the favicons. Basically the little emblem or logo here. It's David Copperfield right now, but I want to change it to the YouTube moon. I like that a lot better. So change YouTube moon and then change color scheme. On that same note, I used to change the colors around every couple months I just change the colors around, but I'm really liking the YouTube color scheme with the gold, not really gold, but like a yellowish, like a moon color and stars and stuff like that. So maybe I'll try to incorporate some of that in there, but that's all it's gonna be. So let me see. Oops, I don't want that there. Actually, that's fine there. I can do that there. Okay. We're in to the Raspberry Pi. Don't have a tree. But I should have some stuff. Yeah, so pretty sure I do not know where server.txt is. Oh wait. Oh, Nginx executable configuration. Okay, this was just me. Oh, okay. So the served HTML location. This was me literally trying to figure out. And you know what? I need to thank myself from like a year ago because I wrote this or just noted this stuff down, and now here it is helping me, like a year later. Okay, so var www.html. But regardless, this is the repo, but I want to remove this other one because the other one is old and it's actually confusing now. Same thing with this one. There's too many. Okay. Man, it is so rainy today. Out of nowhere, it started thundering like crazy and just raining all over the place. Hey, here's a playground. I was trying to mess around with buttons. I want to learn more cool stuff with CSS. Honestly, the last cool thing I learned with CSS was like the changing the color on highlight. It's the last cool thing I learned. Also, I'm out of Fanta, so I have to get Fanta at some point. Can you imagine being out of Fanta? just completely out of it. Out of Fanta. How could this happen to me? Let's see. So first what I should do is... Yeah, Black Horizon, I got the Fanta missing. I need to get some... And the Fanta is... Oh, Fanta.ico. So maybe I should make... Let's see. PNG to ICO. Let me try to do this. I'm gonna use my YouTube logo. Synced YouTube. Me. Where's the freaking thing at? Oh, here. Let's put that in there. Come on, turn that to the whatever file extension this is. And then here, let's just go into assets and see what we got. Oh, I think it's gotta be here actually for some reason. I just never figured out why, but I think it's gotta be in like the root. So like index. Yeah, here we go. I'm gonna go put that in there. Download. And let's see, does it look like anything? It does look like something. Whoa, that looks interesting. I don't know why it looks like that. Alright, let's try to put this in there. New window. Fooling around with my downloads right now. Oh, dang it. I don't need to be here. What the heck am I doing? Yeah, here. We'll put it here. I wonder if I could just change it to a logo. Okay. Yeah, that looks cooler. Okay, so we can remove favicon and then we can move the logo to favicon. Oops. And then we can, oh wait, let's go back and change this to, and then that should actually work on everything. Hey, what the heck? It's not in there like that. Dude, what? That doesn't even make sense. There we go. There's like something cached, I guess. I don't know. It's weird. Okay. I mean, look, that's. Okay. No problem, Black Horizon. Alright, so we can go to, if we go to the actual thing here. Yeah, it's the same. So I need to figure out how to do this. Oh no. That's versatile remote and local file copying tool.
Wait a minute. That's what I thought. Okay. Is it just that easy? Hmm. Dang it. Easy. Let's try that. Clear, what's going on? Hope you're having a good Friday. I'm just doing some work on my website, but first I'm trying to fix the deployment workflow. Because I guess something happened to it. I don't know. It used to just be a function on my Raspberry Pi to deploy to the server, but I think it must have like erased or something. I should not having to do it. So I gotta redo it. Give me this. I think there. Yeah, it kind of sucks. I forgot how to do it too. It was all set up and I forgot how to do it. But I think it's okay. Shouldn't be too hard. Yeah, like I think that should work actually. Oops.
work. Looks like something worked. I don't know what it's doing though. Hello? Did you just crash? What do you mean, Sue? What is going on here? What's that? What's going on with this? Oh God. I hate this stuff. And that's fine. Oh boy, it was doing a lot after the fact. I thought it would just stop after that. What is it? I forget. Config pull rebase false. Let's just do that. By the way, at the moment I'm running IWM. How's it going? On the demos, it looked pretty good. Whatever, I don't really care. Yeah, dude, what do we do? Alright, yeah. The moment is quite solid. Let's go. Did it do it? No. I don't think so. Whoa. It did something though. What did it do? What did it do? It did something. How do I like get branch? Show my branch, dude. Okay, master. It's hard to say. Well, let's go to this one. You should get a soundboard at this point. I should. I think I am the soundboard. What if I just altered the... I'm just gonna alter the frickin' deployment repo, see what it does. I feel like this is it. I just need to confirm this is it. I'm just gonna write, whoa! I'm gonna write, hello. Me testing. Should work. Okay, it is. It's it. Okay, that's it. Okay, good. That's what I thought. So that's okay. So, I wonder what happened then. I wonder if it was just like... Like, why is it not doing my favicon thing? It shouldn't be there anymore. I know what I'll do. I'll just erase this one. Remove. There, now what? I'm just straight up messing with this. It still does it. It's like it caches it or something. Like, that's weird. I don't know. Is it weird though? Maybe it's not that weird. I feel like it is. Like, how? It shouldn't be there. It's not there. Are you adding all the code in SSH? Yeah, so I'm connected in this window here. I'm connected to my Pi. But no, I have the... I usually modify it just on my desktop, and then I'll push it to GitHub. And then on the Pi, I can pull the repo from GitHub and then push it onto the server. Clewar coming to us live through his WM right now. Can you please get rid of this? It's still there. Oh, that's gonna piss me off. I know what to do. Moob. Favicon. Logo. Okay. Index. Make this logo. This has to work. This has to force the change. Get add. Get renamed a favicon. I'm just doing something here, okay? I'm just doing something here. V. Okay. Get poll. But merge Brent master. Can I just say yes? Execute? Oh, what's this? Like, what does this want me to do? I don't understand that. Like T, let's do this. Like, what is this? Command to execute. I've never seen this before. No, I don't want to do that stuff. Oh, okay. Why, it's so weird that it's like giving me that message every single time. I've never seen that before. Grr, grr, grr. Hold on a sec. SM64 soundboard. Oh yeah. Here we go! Oh, called it. Let's see. I don't know if I can do it for the rest of these ones. It's going good at the moment. I need to test it more, but I should have like 0 memory leaks. Here we go! Okay, that's gonna stop now. That's gonna stop. Okay, let me try this by myself. rsync. Oh, okay. Yeah. rsync avz. I think it was. This repo or this, directory to this one. Sending a file is, yeah, it did it. And this should be changed. Yay! It did. Might be the best soundboard any stream has. It worked. Oh. Okay, so what I need to do now. Okay, so that's good. So the workflow works actually. It's amazing when the workflow works. My workflow works. Okay. Oh, what else was I looking at? So I did that. That was my first item done. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. W. Oh yeah. Thwomp is W. Is there's SM64 Thwomp soundboard? That's all I need. All I need. There we go. Is it just all the same? There's so many different buttons, but I think they're all the same. Oh, that is not the same. I forgot about that one. Whoa, okay. Alright. We chill. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I did the first item already. Wow, only took me what? Only took me 30 minutes to write a function. Wow. Bro. Google would hate to see me on their team, dude. 30 minutes to write a function. Easy. Write a 3-line function. Alright. Oh yeah, well actually, I killed 2 birds with 1 stone because I was going to change the logo as well, and I did that. Great. Great. Brr. Okay, so basically... let's see, I can just go... World record speed, dude. 3-line function, 30 minutes. 1 line per 10 minutes. It's pretty good. I mean... Trying to tell me that's not good? I think it's good. Also been thinking about changing my background on my NeoVim. I don't know. But we won't do that now. What was I gonna do? I forget. Kind of just want to get a lay of the land here. It's been a while since I've been on the site. Okay, so what is it? The 17th. We can go ahead and get that out of the way. Oh, the Twitch link. I mean, I don't even stream on there, so get rid of that. Let me revisit the bio. Career science graduate student from the Midwestern U.S. Most of my practical experiences in designing, I guess, and implementing as well. Data pipelines for Alzheimer's disease research. My undergrad is in psychology. Okay, that's true. All those things are true. Website updates the site with journal style entries on the thoughts page. The other 2 main pages, music and... Okay. I mean, these are not inaccurate statements. Pretty good statements. Pretty accurate stuff under oath. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth and nothing but the truth? Yes. Thwomped. The thoughts page, or the challenges page, shows some fun challenges that I have undertaken. Oh. For fun. Okay, let's go back to the live server, please. Okay, that... Oh yeah, it needs to be class links. It needs to be class links. Cause I'm as free as a bird now. True. I really like this. Is probably one of my favorite things about the whole site is just hovering over that. I do wish this thing was wider. I can remember. Lord forgive me. I got some Stack Overflow stuff in here. I don't know what it is though. Where is... Don't need that there. Oh, here we go.
For the... Oh yeah, oh yeah. So it's just for this. I wonder if I can... Can I like use... I'm assuming I can just put like a hex color in there, or I guess like RGB or something. Let me look. Because I know in my other stuff, other colors I just put... I know for the other colors I just put like an RGB color. So if that's the case, I want to get a color dropper and get a color of the YouTube moon. Yeah. So I could set it to that. Hey, who's that? Oh, 327. It's kind of angel number. Oh my gosh, Forgotling's demo? What the heck? How did that happen? So yeah, like let me... I guess though it kind of matters which one I get. Probably like just from the middle there. I'll just grab that. Oh my gosh, our online color dropper tool only works for Chrome, Edge, and Opera. Okay. Oh, this is interesting. I can use like a pixel. Well, this other one seems like it might work better. Chrome, Edge, and Opera only is insane. What is this? Ooh, I love these colors. I love this color so much. Why is that like, it's interesting because it can get really dark. Okay, let's see. Okay, well, I guess I'm gonna try it here. Let me just put it up here. Let me just try this. Put RGB. If it works. $147. It did work. Okay. It's funny. It's interesting because like it looks a bit different, but I think it would look better if it was... Where's the background? Like where? Okay, banner. I need text. Yeah, this is fine. Where's the actual photo? This was confusing me. Like how the heck is that photo even there? I used to have it different than this. Oh, I bet it's got something to do here. Yeah, here it is. Exactly. What if I just did stars, dude? I'm not even sure it's a PNG or not. Nope, it's not. What do you guys think about the AI cameras all over US? What? Dude, that's freaking news to me. I didn't know we had AI cameras all over the US.
Damn it. Show me more. Oh, JPEG. I mean, this doesn't really look that good, to be honest, but I'm just kind of messing around with some new ideas. Yes, those are crazy. And in Europe, chat control got elected. Chat control got elected? What does that mean, Cleawar? I heard that they like banned social media in the UK or something. But I'm not like online too much, to be honest, so I don't know a lot of what's going on. Okay, first sips of Canada Dry strawberry fruit splash. Kind of interesting. I wouldn't necessarily say it's bad, but I wouldn't necessarily say it was good either. So what if I do stars? I love stars. I want it to be stars. I want it to be stars. But it needs to be something that can be like repeated, you know? Basically, I can scan through messages to apps. Oh. I know they've had that in China forever, but I didn't know they were doing that here. Through message apps? Oh. And in Europe, chat control got elected. Okay. That doesn't surprise me, dude. Honestly, with how they are over there. The Severance is where I can go. I can't go about my day without someone mentioning it. The Severance? What is that? The Severance. Isn't that a movie? Is this literally the one I have right now? No. Monse! What's going on? Oh, the surveillance is getting too far. I can't go back to this one. Yeah. I mean, I feel that to a certain extent, and that's why I like to take certain measures to kind of make myself less trackable. Like, for example, I mean, it's super silly, but like just having my phone off and stuff. Like, yeah, obviously they're gonna know where I am because my phone was just on a few hours ago. But still, it's the principle of the matter. I can walk around, whatever. So having the phone off, using as much open source stuff as possible, things like that. Hold on, let me dog up. You don't have to go friggin' saying that while you're streaming on YouTube is so true. That's the thing. That is the thing. Maybe I shouldn't stream on YouTube. It's getting too crazy. Cabin in the woods off grid. That would be kind of cool. You know, I think like Monza, like living in a cabin in the woods, like for a month or two out of the year, I think would be an eye-opening experience. Just like during the summer, like, yeah, I'm gonna go out for a month out to the woods. It's like, I feel like that could be really awesome. Oh, last Fanta gone. It's okay, I'll get more. You know, I'm so freaking tired of piddling around with these things. I might not even have a background for now. Clearwater, are you in Europe? Oh, Clearwater. If you are, at least you have some good countryside. This is a nice picture, though. I like this picture from NASA. Let's try to use this one first. Like I said, this looks like. Assets, and we'll do photos, and then we'll just say space. Bro, what the heck? Yes, oh, you're in Europe? That's interesting, actually. I don't know anyone in Europe, so you're the first. Photos. Let's do space. Alright, that's fine. Let's do PNG if we can. Whatever. JPEG will be okay. Doing some test. Space. Oh, you're Italian? Nice, dude. Bro is a mob boss. Total thwomp moment. Oh my gosh, how long have I been muted? I think the whole time. I don't know. Anyway. I don't remember all the stuff I said, but he said, honestly, Italy is not all that. Well, if you say so. I mean, you live there. Man, can I just set a freaking background image here? Oh, body, okay. Bro has not been muted. Italy sounds pretty top 3. Dude, you know what I know about Italy? Not much. Like I said, Clear, mob boss. That's about all I know. All I know is mob boss. What do you mean URL? This... Oh, I haven't done this in a while. Why doesn't that just work? Oh, dude, Italian food. So good. I don't want this to be like this, though. I want it to be... Alright, that's it. We're destroying everything. We're destroying it all. Oh my gosh, we destroyed it all. Look at this. I'm gonna push this out. Wait a minute, can you see it? Oh yeah, that's my new site right there.
Hey, you know what? You know what? What if I did? What if I did 2560? 1440. Whoa. My gosh. Oh, I just closed out my thing. Why don't I make the banner fit the screen? Oh, dude, I wish I knew how to do that. How do I do it? Oh, wait, I can just do it here. Where did my stuff go, though? That's what I'm trying to wonder. I like the top section only. Well, I was kind of thinking that it would be cool to have this over like everything, but as you can see, yep, that's it. I'm doing it. I'm destroying all of this. Oh wait, I didn't even have this set up. What the heck? How is this working? Like straight up, I don't know. Well, it's actually not working very well. We'll change this to the Vim. Fine, I'll just freaking look it up. How to fit image to screen CSS. I feel like So wait a minute though. I feel like maybe what I should do is, instead of having it just be the whole body like this, do this banner. Oh. What did I have this as? I feel like I had it as something else. Yeah, I did. Lord, forgive me, because this was background. And what is that here? I see. Okay, so that's just color black. Making a lot more sense now. I was getting pretty confused. Okay, whatever. So that's that. This is still messed up. Yeah, this is still messed up. I think I had it like 8 by or 5 by 800, just to get it back to it looking relatively okay. But why is this still? Should be black, I feel like. I literally said it was gonna be black. But regardless. Yeah, background color black. Why is the body not black? Oh, because it's not equal. Dude. Okay, black.
So yeah, it looks like that. Okay, yeah, so this is for my, yeah, so there's relative font size, left, right. I remember I had to like manually do this and get it. Momentum is stable and usable as far as I understand. So yeah, just pushed it out. I'll do some new features as I, you know, have some time, but I just wanted to move on to something else that was taking a lot more, or I spent a lot more time on that I was wanting to, so. I mean, it was a really good time, you know. It was just, I was ready to move on. So this is a, okay, so centered. Oh, so the centered container actually, I think this is holding the entire page. So, I think this is holding the page. And this is the banner div. Whatever you want to call div is easier. I'm just gonna try now. I would laugh if it just like didn't work immediately for you. Cause like, I'm pretty sure it should work, but especially because you're on Arch and everything, it should be fine. But please tell me if something goes wrong. So this, wait, what was I doing? This holds the entire page. Dude, I'm tripping right now. This holds the entire page, and this is, it must be, yeah, must be that. Yeah, hope I can get the TI ready V2. Oh, I'm sure you will, Black Horizon. I'm sure V2 won't be for a long time. As a matter of fact, your TY will define V2. Or whatever you want to call it. That will be the defining characteristic of it. Like, the functionality's there. The functionality's there. I do have some like little extra stuff I like to put in there for fun, but okay. This is starting to come back to me a little bit, what I was doing here. Yeah, so this container is just the about section. I just need to label this a little bit better. Yeah, so it's pretty simple, which I like. It used to be a bit more complicated than this on the index page, and I didn't like that. I just wanted it to be as simple as possible. Yes, I was seeing other people's websites too, like other people's personal websites, and I was noticing that I really liked the simple ones. So the simpler the better for me. Wow, I didn't expect that. Well, I'm telling you, it looked really cool. So that would be it. This is how many people and copyright info are in the same. Yes, okay. External links is in a container. So I just have 4 containers here. 5 if you include the one holding the entire page. Yeah, that's really good, actually. Just compiled it, there's a bunch of warnings. Uh-oh. Probably like all those like such and such maybe truncated and stuff like that, I would assume. Color palette? It's interesting. This thing gave me a color palette for the... But it compiled it. That's the first step, dude. That's V1 ready. Compilation V1. So What if I made... No, it gave you a seg fault. Wait, is it because... Okay, actually, let me ask you this. Whenever you clone the repo, did you get a data directory? If you did not get a data directory, I think that's why. But the thing is, I freaking kept it. I put a get keep in the data directory, so it's there. I mean, I've seen it. Segfault is better than nothing, to be fair. Yeah, we gotta be thankful for our seg faults. The future of building happens together. Okay, I like that one. That's better than some of the other messages they give you. Some of the other homepage messages are like, don't be left behind. It should have it. Oops. Dude, I don't know why this is showing 2. Is it showing 2 of these? Oh, it's because I have 2. Okay, hold on. Yes, it's there. Then why are you getting a seg fault? Is it on freaking... Yeah, it's definitely there. What was giving you a seg fault? You should put it in the issues. You should just be like, oh, I did this, and I got seg fault. I don't see what it could be. I was literally testing those out. Talk about stable release. That's so hilarious. Or the light mode. Well, the thing is, I usually rock dark mode, but like on my site, dark mode kind of... It throws off the font colors and stuff, and I don't know how to really get around that, so... My whole room lit up with the get freaking... I have to do this in freaking light mode. I don't know how to account for that stuff. And here, I don't know how to like ignore that. I'm not sure if we can. I'm going to make an issue. Okay, thank you. Wait, this shouldn't end. I'm gonna end this differently though. Okay, so what was it doing? Yeah, I don't know how to make this fit. Oh wait, let's see. Object fit? Let's see. Let me try this. Bro, what is all this crap? What is this? Huh. Wait, really? Okay, I gotta try some. Oh, that's interesting. Huh. You can use 2. The Panable. What's going on? Hope you're having a good evening. I'm trying to fool around with my website. I forgot how to do anything in CSS. Not that I knew much to begin with, though, to be fair. Background position, repeat. That's interesting. No, I just did, but I didn't read. Oh. Oh, okay, fair enough. I was saying I was checking for that stuff. Let the background start from the upper left corner of the content. Interesting. Let me try to make. Oh God. Oh, that's how you do it right there. Yeah, like I have background. Like, what's a CSS? I think it stands for like cascading style sheet or something. I don't know. But it's pretty much just like making the stuff look better. If you know how to use it right. If you don't know how to use it right, it doesn't look any different at all. I think it would be cool. So what I'm thinking now is like it would be cool to have this picture start from the bottom, because then it would be black up top and this guy would kind of be floating around. So I think that would look cool. So what do I need to do? Let me just try something. So I'm using for the div that is, I think it'd be better if you put it in user local bin. Yeah, I just wanted to avoid having like to run a sudo command to install a program if necessary. But like it probably would be better objectively. So for some reason I'm using a centered container, which I've defined for the entire page. Display grid. Align center. Okay, so yeah, that's just to align everything in the center. Fair enough. What if I just did like background container? Let's see, what kind of containers do I have here? Sometimes these are not very descriptive. This is. I don't even think I'm using it. Oh, I am using it. Okay. Yeah, I'm using it. But I don't think I should have the. I don't think I should have the photo sitting in there. So really then, if I don't have that there and I just... And this is... Okay. Where is... So what if I just say center container? Would this just stack? No, it doesn't freaking stack. Why? Why wouldn't that stack on top of this? Okay, that is literally on. Oh, I think I know why. I think it's because I have these things like this. It's interesting. Wait, does this work? Nope. There's too many options here, dude. There's too many options. Oh, let's see. Well, I have like Z index. I don't know what the heck that is. What is that? Set the Z index for an image that are displayed. Oh, behind the text? Okay. I don't think that's necessary right now. Position relative. That's interesting. So basically I was modifying. Yeah, so it's just modifying it like this. So top, that would be, yeah, okay. So I just get to fool around with these essentially. I think the Z index was for if there was like a photo in front of it, or just a photo there in general. There should be something. There should definitely be something here. Let me see. I mean, can't I do like a, can't I just override and be like style, background, image, assets, photos, space? I mean, can't I do that? Is it right? Or no? Can't do that. So freaking dumb. I'm skeptical. Is that just not where it's at? Assets, photos, space, JPG. Do you have to say like this thing? Just say like URL. Just say that. Freaking think so. Does it just not make sense for it to? I don't know. Okay, let me try something then. Let me try something further. So background. Let me try. here. Is that gonna work? Absolutely not gonna freaking work. Well, where's the... But this is it. It's just straight up not freaking working. What if I take this out? If I send it this, how many comments in this? For real, dude, what am I missing? How does that work? Right, background. So, auto is just like literally, no, I'm just not even gonna show it all. That's extremely helpful. Because why would you want to do that? Why would you want to show up? Background review interview, let's try that. Ooh. Well, that looks pretty bad. Animatable. Dude. The keyboard has good clicky clacks today. Thank you, Monta. I'm glad you enjoyed the baby kangaroos. I also enjoy them. But didn't it say that you could have it? Yeah. Origin, couldn't it say you could have it? What if I just say center bottom? What's it gonna do? What's it gonna do if I say center bottom? Do something crazy. Okay, I know this light mode is probably crazy, so I'm just gonna move these to my other. Move these to my other thing so I can just keep this up. Background repeat. No repeat here. Oh Lord. Look, gotta tell you, Paige, I don't think that's center bottom. I don't think it is. Well, maybe it is though. I guess technically this might be like the bottom of the page. How do I make it just like extend, dude? I don't know. I just don't know. Oh, why does center top better? Background attachment? What the heck does that mean? A background image that will not scroll with the page. Okay. That's interesting. Yes, I guess that is technically the page. Is it because of this? Wait, what the hell is that? Okay, wait a minute. Min height 100 VH. Okay. Yeah, it did something. Man, this is an absolute mess though, I'll tell you that much. But, I mean, it's okay. It really is not too crazy. It's not too crazy of a deal if it's all crazy right now. Let's see how to position divs on the screen. Cause like all I know how to do is just stack on top of each other. That's all I've ever done. Position with values, okay. Wait, so that's pretty much what I was doing with the text here. So it's the same. What is this? HTML box sizing, border box 4 after box sizing, here it. HTML body height. This way is for our website to fix the scaling. Wait, like. That looks. Well, I don't understand that. Like, where did you put that even? Let me see. I wonder where did you put that in there? Right on the bill though. Maybe here. Okay, but this is. So on the top, on the top of CSS, like up here, okay. Let me try. I mean, there's nothing to lose. Let me just see what happens. Okay. Oh, did I do something? Did I do something? Whoa! W horizon. That's interesting. So it just, yeah, that's really interesting. Box sizing, order box before, box sizing in here. Okay. Oops. Big dubs. Thank you, Black Horizon. Scaling, or we'll just say like dynamic scaling for pages. That's pretty cool. It will work on all your pages. Yeah, as I say, it should work on all of them because they're all importing or they're all using the same CSS style sheet. So like, yeah, that's interesting. I don't have background photos actually on like anything else. I don't think. Yeah, I just have solid colors everywhere. I'm not even sure if I want to keep this, but now, or keep this background photo, but like now that I can resize it like this, it really makes things a lot easier as far as choosing like a background. That's really interesting. Huh. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay. Image, we're just been using that more. Oops. But these are, but yeah, the point is, like, yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna use this background photo. It's kind of like, it's too bright and it's kind of hard to position things around this guy. Unless I just, I mean, I could though. I actually could. I wonder if I can use this. Man, this is confusing. I wonder if I can use this like on my divs to make them just scale like that, but okay, but what if I just flex box? Yeah, I feel like some of these are like flex. Yes, the containers is flex, max width, mid width, justify content flex start. I'm just not good at this stuff. A second, I go to the bathroom. I'll probably also grab like a drink or something. And to bust out the blanket. Or if you want a grid, https cssgridgarden.com. Oh! Grid Garden. What throws me off about HTML and CSS is that there's so many options and so many like parameters and stuff that it's like, man, I feel like it's impossible to just know all of them all the time. I mean, it's the same with everything, but like, I just get lost in the frickin' sauce here when it comes to these things. Oh yeah, this lighting is way better. I don't care what you're going for. That's why I asked about layout. Oh, so like, I don't know. As far as layout, I mean, I change stuff up quite frequently, to be honest with you. Like, one of the things I enjoy about having the website is just going in there and just changing stuff around as I feel like. It's like, I'm not super committed to a single layout. I think what I'm more committed to just on the landing page is just simplicity over everything else. Wish I got this grid garden. Oh. Where do I see how to grow? What is this? Is this a game? It's a game. Okay. Okay. Oh, this lighting is so much better. That freaking light is just like so aggressive. It's like 1500 lumens or something like that. Like, it's just insane. What was I doing? Oh, I want to make these divs. Like, so let's see. I just see something like, I could put this down here, right below this guy maybe. But the point is, I think I can change this around like with this. So I was gonna clean up my containers. I did this every once in a while. It's like this container leaves a gap. It's got the Flexbox layout, which, oh my god, I couldn't even tell you what the heck that actually does. Like, I don't know what it actually does. But we'll see. I have display here. Flex. Displays an element as a block level flex container. Okay, that sounds that's very explanatory. Okay. I mean, I think that's okay for now. So we have the max width, min width, okay, nice. Justify content. Flex start. I wonder if that could be something for me. Default value. Items are positioned at the beginning of the container. Huh. That's interesting. What if I just say space around? Like, dude, what is this? Let's say center. Let's see what happens here. That's interesting. I think the other one pretty much already was. So that's okay. But let's see, we're using, yeah, container here, centered container for that container here. So there's just a bunch of containers. 3, 4, I guess. This playground can get out of there. But the question is, so the banner's fine. It's actually interesting. Right, the banner, okay, so the banner is not being used currently. That's fine too. Container 2, I feel like I was using this somewhere else. Let me see. Let me just look up, So thoughts, yes, this is something I was using there. So what would I be using it there for? I think it's just for the, I think it's for all the different months and stuff. April, yeah. So each, wait, I feel like they're not all container 2s. Container 2 though is not very descriptive, is it? I feel like. March is not, oh my gosh, I didn't do that one. See, this isn't even consistent. That's container 2, that's interesting. Well, I guess it is kind of, I mean, because that is in just an H1. Okay, so where does this end? February, I see. So really I could put an end, but it doesn't seem like it even mattered, like it didn't change much, which is interesting. If it doesn't change much, then so div container 2, and then where would this go? And then let's go down to March. Or February, I guess. Yeah, that's the 2. Oh wait, here it is here. Why isn't that working? Damn it. That's it. Why would I understand it? What's the lore behind that? Oh, let's see. Hold on. Exactly. What's the lore behind the space theme, Matza? There's no lore to it, to be honest. Like, honestly, how it came out was I was sitting there trying to find a cool YouTube logo, and I saw this really like high-res picture of the moon, and I was like, whoa, that looks so cool. And like that was just it, and I was like, oh, it's circular, and the YouTube logo frame is circular, so it looks cool, and I liked the color, and yeah, so and yeah, it's just cool. I just like it. I just like space theme stuff in general. If an astronaut was imaged on its own, it would help with the ordering and text layout. Yeah, it probably would, actually. It probably would. I'm trying to figure out why this is not... Why isn't this just recognizing the other tag here? That's so annoying. Why would you do that? It's like, you know what? There's actually, maybe it has something to do with the amount of I think this is that too as well. I mean, that's just bugs me, right? It's kind of silly. April, March, February. So container 2 is used here. Now, why? I would have to read it. You got Width 100%, max width 80, margin 0 auto. Not sure exactly why that's being used. And it seemed like that was the only place too that it was being used. Like that was it. Plus it says connect to, oh, disconnect, I guess. And that's, I don't even have that linked anymore. Values. Container 2, but why? What? I just don't know the difference of it, to be honest. Let's reorder these as well. Our containers. So what does it have to do? I mean, this is definitely different, but it's fine. Then I have my column containers, then I send a container. So I have 4 defined containers. So this is a flex container, I know that, and it organizes things in columns next to each other. This one, yeah, it just centers everything on the page. Should at least. Photo headers used for pages that have photos as headers and banners. So it used to be a lot bigger of a thing than it is now. This is for study. Oh, it was a progress bar. Yeah. That's the progress bar. Photo. Like, what? Where is that used? Okay, I wanted not this, but yeah, I think is I don't even think these were working. That's why I have them defined elsewhere on the index. I don't know why they weren't working either. I honestly don't know that why they weren't. But I think, yeah, something with this, like, just call this banner text. It's way better. See you later, Cleewalk. Hope you have a good weekend. The about section. What I'm wanting to do is just kind of move everything down a little bit. Oh, also we can make these different. So color, instead of having it be this here on hover, I just want them to be that color in general. Then maybe hover to a different color. Oh, interesting. Oh, do I have to say text color? No? Well, how do I do it then? Color. What the heck? Is it because of these? Yeah. It's because of that. Alright, see you later, Black Horizon. Have a good weekend. Nice seeing you. So we'll do this. This. Thank you very much. So on hover, I don't know what would be. Oh, actually, this thing gave me a color palette. I like this color palette. What is this? Yeah, what color is this? Uh-oh. Oh, darn. Oh, no, it just went everywhere. Dang it. Oh, yeah, here it is. Oh, is it this color? I mean, that's interesting. Let's do a darker one. Let's do this one. What color is this? This is from the moon. So on hover, let's try 117, 84, 55. 84, 55. That should be cool. Oh yeah, so it just kind of dims it. Oh yeah, but it pretty much dims it, but it's just they're in the same color palette. So like, that's interesting. So basically it would color all my A's like this. But I think, like I have links here. I know I have links defined. And it's just a color actually. So that's interesting. Why couldn't I just say links? Maybe we can, but for now let's just test it here without changing everything. Because there's some class links here, yeah. We can get rid of that. Matter of fact, what we can do is sell everything, class, links, there's just gonna be nothing. No, yeah. Well, there's just space after that too. Can I do space? Can I do space? How would I do space? Huh. I guess you can. Or maybe I just don't know how to sit in this. Oh no, not that one. So then here there's this. Class links, something still survives here. Yeah, they still survive. Let's get rid of them. Let's get rid of all these. And then they'll be the same color. Which I like this color. I do like it pretty good. So this is just, I mean, behavior for behavior, style, and animation, or links, and others, but I don't have mercy to check that out. Just mess with it. Huh? Oh, I commented the whole thing. Oh my gosh. Wait. Oh, I'm in the CSS block. Okay. There we go. It's interesting. Okay, so we have for the other text, we have body. I think is being used. No, is there no body being used? Yeah, text or P class. Okay. P class body is being used in most places. I think I can. Font size 18. It kind of looks a bit small to me though. Color. The Azure. I used to like this a lot as well. 20. Oh, 222. How about that? What I do here? There's a banner text. Their font size 30. Well, I think what I should do is I should probably make these like maybe 30. No, that looks too bad. We could do like 25. I think is probably it. That's fine. But these ones, I think I want these to be bigger. I'm talking like maybe even 50. Yeah, and then we can have these move like left. What is it? 100 look like? Stuff like this. Okay. Because these are just the main attention getters, so I'll put those there like that. 25. We'll have that do 50. I feel like 60 would be too much. Without 60, they start overrunning the thing. 55. Still. So 50 for now is probably a sweet spot. Okay. That's fine. But then let's just move them in a little bit. 90. Oh gosh. It's way in. Let's go 50. What the heck, dude? These things are stubborn. Do I just get rid of this completely? 0 pixels? Huh. That is interesting. But I feel like from top, for example, like what, bring it down 100? Yeah. So I can bring this down, and I think I'm gonna do the same thing. I could probably do the same thing on the other ones. So we have those. But like, for example, these 3 things. The external links and these 2 containers, yeah. What if I put these 2 things in a container together and I'm just gonna say like bottom container. I know it's very descriptive right now. And then I'll take all this, push out a little bit, and then div here. Oh, I guess I didn't put one here. So I can say div. I'm not really sure what kind of container. I don't know. Oh, that didn't work. Oh, why is it organized like that? So what if I just say div style? What is it? Position relative? I'll just say something like that. And then, top by Oh, it does work. Okay. That's interesting. I just wonder how this will look like on the phones and stuff. It looks like it'll be okay, I guess. Like it should just line up. But it's okay. We will make these different as far as the color and everything. But yeah, I think I want it to be pretty close to the bottom. Top. Not left. Can we do some left? I'm just curious. Oops. What does that look like? Does it not do anything? Okay, so it does. The left 0 does nothing, which is weird. Oh, right, like 500. There's some movement there. More? It's weird. Maybe it just can't come out of the container, I guess. I don't know. If I do style on this, I don't think this will be able to work. Because I think this will conflict with. I mean, does it even make sense? Yeah. I'm not sure. It does work. Why? It's kind of interesting. I'm kind of, really making this not super flexible right now, but it's interesting to see this. So this is in a container too. So oops. It is. Oh goodness. Oh wait, that's the wrong one. Oops, that's the wrong thing. mean, that guy honestly is just in the way, to be honest. And like, if this is full screen, look at this. Looks pretty freaking bad. I wonder what happens. I'm starting to think that this background photo sucks anyway. Unfortunately. Yeah, this sucks too. It's the same. It's the same suckage rating. I mean, I'm a way more of a fan of just photos that kind of just fill up a page, you know, or just none at all. Heck, I don't need to have them. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna get rid of that. Watch this. For now. That's fine, but I'm getting rid of that. I'm gonna put this stuff down. And then what I'll do is I'll just have the moon kind of fade in from the top, I think. Okay. So this target was crazy. That's it? It's just this? Oops, whoa. So this can all be, see it, you know, I have this like cluttered. Oops. I don't need to have like a ton of different RGBs available at any time. I just don't. I don't need the banner at all times. I'm getting rid of it. Photo headers, quotations, all this. I mean, that's fine. These I would like to use. Header. Okay, body, yeah. But like so fade in. This is for interactivity. All should be here. So I should say like what was this saying? Fade. Fade in image. Okay. It's literally just animation. Okay. Fade in. 5 seconds. Is that? Oops. Is that true? Oops. And then we put the image source, I think. Assets. Oh, I didn't put the actual photo in here, so let me do that. Let me put the actual photo in here. Okay. So then after that we can say logo. I think it was PNG. Holy crap! Dude, that didn't even freaking work, by the way. That is not fading in, is it? Oh, wait a minute. This doesn't do anything yet because we still need to create the effect using keyframe. Okay. I don't know where I put this at, but I've just never seen this keyframes thing before. Let me just try it. Try it here. So 0% is opacity, okay? So essentially this is like at the beginning of 5 seconds, the opacity will be 0, and then at 100%, the opacity will be 1. The opacity will be 1, and then that's after 5 seconds. I assume. Yeah, okay, so that did work. But still, it's massive, so we have to fix that. It absolutely consumes the entire page, as a matter of fact. Holy crap, dude. Where is everything else? Literally just gets rid of it. Oh yeah. Big old moon. So I think we can resize it somehow. Like what? It's like 100 pixels. I don't really know, but I just want to see if it will just work. Oh, that's pretty neat though. I like that. 5. Oops. Oh yeah, oblong. Yeah, you see, it needs to be left. That's interesting. History, where was yeah, here it is. The Web W3 schools display. Unfortunately, I think I could just move this, but I don't want to move literally everything like this because it's so fragile. Like, why would I just keep doing this all the time? Oh no, maybe I can't even do that. Wait a minute. That's holding everything like that. Oh man, I just went literally all the way there, I feel like. So that kind of worked. Not full. Jeez, how freaking far did it go? Wait a minute, all this stuff is really bug. You know, it's actually not very wise to do the site on just like half a screen. It's like, look at it. Man, it's really messed up. point is it? I truly have no idea. Whatever. Well, I successfully have messed this up pretty good, but that's okay. Definitely learned some more stuff. I'm on the right path. I'm not even gonna commit this now, but alright. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys have a good weekend. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here, so peace out. See you next time.